Today I will be making a beautiful fall pumpkin cookie with a burlap design and flowers. First, I sketched out how I wanted my pumpkin to look with an edible pen. I am using an outline and flood consistency to ice my pumpkin. Check out my video on consistencies if you need help with that. I want my pumpkin to really look like a real pumpkin, so I'm not icing the entire cookie at once. I want some texture, so I'm going to ice these first 3 parts, let them dry, and then ice the remaining. And there we have a real looking pumpkin. Next, I'm going to add the stem, and that's still using the outline and flood consistency. I'm going to let my pumpkin dry in my dehydrator, or you can let it dry overnight. To add some dimension, I'm going to do a little shading. I'm using a little orange gel color and water with my paintbrush, and I'm going to darken the edges of the pumpkin. Be sure to dab your paintbrush on a paper towel because too much water will break down your icing, causing holes. To make the burlap design, I'm using an outline icing. Start by making 2 horizontal lines across the pumpkin. Then, in between those lines, as evenly spaced as possible, make vertical lines all the way across. Next, make sharp lines across the pumpkin, skipping every other vertical line. And there you get your burlap look. Next, I'm going to add some greenery to my pumpkin. I'm using an outline flood icing, and I'm making a slender, crooked heart for the leaf. Sorry, my camera cut off, but I used the same icing to create a vine. Next, I'm using a leaf tip and a stiffer icing to make my leaves. And again, to add some dimension, I'm going to go ahead on and paint my leaves and my vine, as well as the burlap and the stem, just to give it some dimension. And if you're not happy with your leaves, just take them off and add them again. I wasn't happy with this one, so it came off very easy. So I'm going to add some royal icing flowers just to dress up the pumpkin. It's some that I already had made, and you just put a little icing at the back of them and put them on your pumpkin. And I'm going to add some leaves. So you have this beautiful pumpkin, you've done all this work, but wait, what about that chipped part? Let's go back to that. We're gonna just cover it up with a nice little vine. And there you have it. It's beautiful again. So this is a beautiful pumpkin. Leave me any comments, questions that you may have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, hit that notification bell as well. Bye!